Money doesn't just buy things, it changes your reality. Right now, I'm earning $1 an hour. I'm literally starving. But in a few minutes, I'll be earning $1 million an hour, and I might accidentally crash the global economy. Let's see how much a human can take. Level 1. At $1 per hour, my life is a math problem I can't solve. I work an 8-hour shift and earn $8. That's not even a burrito at Chipotle. I'm walking to work because a bus ticket is 3 hours of my life. My home is a cardboard box behind a library because I can't afford light, let alone rent. Every calorie is a luxury. This isn't living. It's a slow-motion game of overhead. I'm cold, I'm tired, and a single toothache would literally bankrupt me. Level 2. I just got a raise to $7.25, the US federal minimum wage. I can finally buy a bus pass. I'm eating ramen tonight with an actual egg in it. Luxury. But I'm still one broken car engine away from total disaster. I'm trading my entire youth just to keep the lights on. I have no savings, no dental plan, and my vacation is a nap on a Sunday afternoon. Level 3. Now we're talking. At $100 an hour, I'm earning $200,000 a year. I'm in the top 5% of earners. I don't look at the prices on the menu anymore. I drive a Tesla, I have a mortgage, and I buy organic kale just because I can. My stress has shifted from how do I eat to which index fund should I pick. I'm finally breathing. Level 4. At $1,000 an hour, time becomes more valuable than gold. I'm a top-tier surgeon or a corporate lawyer. I don't clean my house, I pay someone else to do it. I don't fly economy. I'm in first class. My shoes cost more than my $1 per hour self-made in a month. But here's the catch. I'm working 80 hours a week. I have the money, but I have no time to spend it. I'm a golden slave. Level 5. Everything changes. This is the A-list celebrity level. I'm making $100 million a year. I don't fly first class. I own the jet. I have a staff, a chef, a driver, a security detail. I don't go to the store. The store comes to me. I'm no longer a person, I'm a brand. My biggest problem? Privacy. I'd pay $1 million just to walk down the street without being chased by a drone. Level 6. And here we are. $1 million per hour. That's $24 million a day. $8.7 billion a year. I am now wealthier than some European countries. At this level, money isn't paper. It's a superpower. I could buy a Super Bowl ad every single day. I could end homelessness in a medium-sized city by lunch. My house is a $200 million mega yacht with a helipad for my smaller yacht. But look at my character now. I'm detached from humanity. I don't know what a gallon of milk costs. I haven't been in a grocery store in a decade. I can influence elections, buy space programs, and change the climate. I'm not a human anymore. I'm a force of nature. The distance between $1 and $1 million an hour isn't just a number. It's the difference between fighting for life and playing God with it. Which one would you choose?